These are 5 amazing products any frequent swimmer needs in their arsenal to remove chlorine from your hair and skin. I was sent these to review from Vita and I love them for myself and my kids. So let me show you a closer look. And as always, you can find affiliate links to shop in the video description below. We've got After Swim and Sun shampoo, conditioner, Miracle Foam body wash, sea serum lotion, and After Swim detangler. Vita After Swim and Sun shampoo. Look at that lather, yes, and it smells so good, like floral, delicious, but not too girly, if that makes sense. So good, and helps remove all that chlorine and to keep it from going green. If you're a blonde especially, you know the issue of chlorine green, but this is gonna save you. Next up, Vita After Swim conditioner. Same delicious scent as the shampoo. It just really helps the hair to be gorgeous condition after swimming and then washing out that chlorine with their shampoo. And then this just makes it so nice and manageable. But if you need help between a shampoo and conditioner, this After Swim detangler is gonna save you. If you get out of the pool and can't get right to the shower, this is gonna be your best friend. And while we're letting the conditioner just sit for a minute, we're gonna use the Miracle Foam body wash. Shake, spray. Oh, it's so fun. Smells delicious. And then just wash. Get all that chlorine and the sunscreen and all that off your body ASAP. Amazing. Look at that. Look at that. Oh my gosh, so smooth and easy to brush, even color treated hair, guys, and bleached hair. Oh, I love this stuff. It smells so good, kind of fruity, kind of coconutty, slightly girly, but gender neutral. The final step, you gotta hydrate your skin, guys. Sea serum lotion. Ooh. So good. Get those elbows, rub it in. Oh, so yummy. Feels so good. It's not heavy, it's not super light, it's like right in the middle. Like you feel the hydration. Goodness. When you swim every day and refuse to shower, this is what happens. After Swim detangler to the rescue. Look at that, shiny and gorgeous. If it is super crazy tangled from like a week of swimming and not shampooing, well, it's not gonna be magical, but it's going to help a lot in getting that brushed out. Vita is a proud partner of the USA Artistic Swimming, so you know you can trust this stuff. They are all paraben-free, sulfate-free, vegan, and the shampoo one even says kid-friendly. And the Miracle Wash one also says vitamin-enriched, cruelty-free. I love this stuff and I know you will too. Shop in the video description. I've got all the affiliate links for you.